Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Before we start our lesson for today, first I will lead the prayer. Please rise. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay. Please take sit. Okay. Do we have an assignment class?
No, sir.
Um, who's absent for today? None.
None,
Okay.
sir.
Our next topic is about series and parallel connection. Do you have any idea about series and parallel connection?
None, sir.
If none, series and parallel connection is very important in building wiring. But before we connect or apply it, first we need our safety first. Our first safety our okay, our first safety precaution is clean the surroundings. Hands must not be wet. Do not wear any conductor things in your body like, for example, rings, necklace, and bracelet. And lastly, do not wear slippers instead of shoes. Now you know our safety precaution. For further explanation about series and parallel connection, here is my co-teacher, Jessa Jane, to discuss it.
Okay, once again, good morning. I am Jessa Jene, who define to you what is series and parallel connection. When you hear the word series connection, what comes on your mind? Okay, very good. So, series connection, it is the connection where the components are connected along a single path. So, and the loads have the same voltage. What do you think is the best example of series connection?
Christmas tree light.
Okay, very good. A Christmas tree light is one of the best example of series connection. Because as I said, series connection has only one single path. Like Christmas tree light, if one of the light bulbs are removed or burned, the entire string will not be function or inoperable until the light bulb will replace. And the other circuit is the parallel circuit. A parallel circuit is the two or more components are connected in parallel, have the same potential difference or voltage across their ends. Parallel circuit is a circuit where the loads have their own source. Unlike series circuit, parallel have their own source, and one load will not function, the entire circuit will not be affected. For you to know how to connect the series and parallel connection, here's my constructor Gallego to perform or to show to you how to connect it.
Once again, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm Micheal Gallego, and I'm here to perform about series and parallel connection. But first let me introduce to you the component in our trainer board. First, we have three receptacles. Second, we have two three-way switch. Third, we have a fuse and convenience outlet. And lastly, we have a source. And there, we have three bulbs the connector, and our jumper wire. Um, these are diagram that I will perform in our trainer board. First we'll perform is a series connection. First we need three bulbs. This is the connector that we use in connecting in our pad. First, we connect the source, then into the common in A, then in one of the rod of our receptacle. Then continue. And lastly, now this is a complete circuit. Now we will test. We will test this when our diagram were correct. Okay, let's on. Now we test our circuit if the schematic diagram will correct. Now let's on. Our schematic diagram is correct because series circuit is only a single path, one direction of the current flow. If one of the line will broke, the whole circuit will not function. Now we try. We see that the meaning of the series circuit is true. Now we unplug. Now let's go to a parallel circuit. First is source into a common. In A into a one rod, then source to one rod again, now we finish connection of our parallel connection. Now let's try. Let's on. That's a series parallel connection because one of the load will have their own source. Now let's off, on, off, then unplug. Okay.
Okay, that's all about series and parallel connection. I hope you learn a lot. And by next meeting, we will discuss about motor control. Okay, and that's all, and dismiss, and God bless.